After a gap of 2 years, it's time to create ripples once again in the Indian food scene. We are back with the FoodFood Awards 2022.
2022, we're all set for the FoodFood Awards 4th edition. बहुत तैयारियां चल रही हैं, जूरी के साथ बातचीत चल रही है. We've also got so Kunal Vijayakar and Rashmi have very gracefully agreed to host the show. Super excited.
कोई भी चीज़ बड़ी करनी हो, कोई भी ऐसा इवेंट हो, वो जो इवेंट है उसकी तैयारी महीनों पहले शुरुआत हो जाती है, क्योंकि टॉप 30 रेस्टोरेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया. सबके मन में धक धक हो रही है कि उनका नाम होगा या नहीं होगा, क्योंकि सारी इंडस्ट्री के लोगों ने मिल के वोट किया.
This time the FoodFood Awards are going to be in JW Sahar.
We're delighted to be the host hotel for FoodFood Awards 2022. It's an event happening after 2.5 years, and we're looking forward for many celebrations and victories this evening. I wish good luck to all the restaurateurs and the hotels winning the awards today this evening.
The stage is set. The who's who of the food world are here.
First of all, I think it's a pleasure to be back at the FoodFood Awards, which is the most credible awards in Asia.
I'm truly honored to be here for the awards. I'm sure it'll be a fantastic evening.
Life is changing, we're all stepping out, we're all getting back to food, and there is nothing more immersive than the FoodFood Awards.
Well, firstly, it's a great honor and a privilege to be at this wonderful award. In my opinion, the most credible awards for the industry, by the industry.
There are very few associations in the world which look after those who love and create food. And hats off to Sanjeev for the absolutely mind-boggling covering such a large country with so many cuisines and so many professions.
If you see around the entire industries here, I don't think anybody could miss this award because it is one of the biggest. It is celestial, to say the least.
We're very happy that we can all gather together and celebrate cuisine like we are doing today.
इस बारी face to face बहुत टाइम के बाद मिल रहे हैं सबको, and without mask, of course. So this is going to have another charm altogether.
So kudos to Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, Shafkat for putting this together year after year, and I'm so glad that I'm involved with it for so many years. I feel great about it.
After pandemic, this is a ray of hope, and we are today going to celebrate the success of the hospitality industry.
कोविड के समय में सब लोग ये चीज़ मिस कर रहे थे. We were all missing the gathering, we were all missing the company, and also missing to acknowledge great restaurants.
Post-COVID, a lot of things have opened up, and it's amazing to see people actually going out, celebrating, socializing, meeting each other, and enjoying the lovely restaurants and amazing food and hospitality that is out there.
पिछले कुछ महीनों में ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे दुनिया वापस बदल गई है और सब लोग घूमना फिरना शुरू कर दिया है. फ्लाइट्स फुल हैं, एयरपोर्ट फुल हैं, होटल्स, रिजॉर्ट सब कुछ फुल हैं, रेस्टोरेंट्स फुल हैं. ऐसा बिजनेस हॉस्पिटैलिटी में पहले ऐसा लग रहा था कि शायद ऐसे दिन देखने को मिलेंगे, लेकिन everything is not just back to normal, but it's prospering at a great pace, and I hope, wish and pray that ये इसी तरह से चले.
Everyone sounds so excited to be back on ground, meet their colleagues, and join in the celebration. So you don't go anywhere, because up next is the award ceremony.